Hair loss is a common concern, affecting millions of people worldwide. If you're looking for a non-invasive, effective way to promote hair growth, advanced hair growth devices are here to help. From laser caps to innovative light therapy, these tools are revolutionizing hair care. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 hair growth devices, their features, benefits, and why they might be the perfect solution for you. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Kiierr Laser Cap 272. The Kiierr Laser Cap 272 is a premium hair growth device designed to combat thinning hair and stimulate regrowth using advanced laser technology. Ideal for both men and women, it's FDA cleared and backed by clinical studies. Key features: this cap features 272 medical-grade laser diodes that deliver low-level light therapy, LLLT, to stimulate hair follicles. It's lightweight, hands-free, and rechargeable, making it convenient for daily use. The cap offers an automatic shut-off function for added safety and ease of use. Benefits and usage: the Kiierr Laser Cap 272 helps reverse hair thinning by improving blood flow to the scalp and reactivating dormant hair follicles. Users can see visible results within 6 months of consistent use. Wear the cap for 30 minutes every other day while going about your routine. Usability: designed with user convenience in mind, this cap is comfortable and discreet, allowing you to multitask while wearing it. The rechargeable battery and compact design make it travel-friendly. Durability: the Kiierr Laser Cap 272 is built with high-quality materials to ensure longevity. With proper care, including storing it in its protective case and cleaning it as recommended, this device will provide reliable performance for years. In the second spot, we have Theradome PRO. The Theradome PRO is a cutting-edge laser helmet designed to provide salon-quality hair restoration in the comfort of your home. FDA cleared and clinically proven, it's a favorite among professionals and consumers alike. Key features: this helmet features 80 medical-grade lasers that deliver powerful, targeted LLLT to the scalp. Its cordless design, built-in cooling system, and voice-guided interface enhance user experience. The helmet is lightweight, ensuring comfort during use. Benefits and usage: the Theradome PRO promotes hair regrowth, thickens existing hair, and reduces hair loss. To use, wear the helmet for 20 minutes twice a week. The voice guidance system ensures correct usage and tracks your progress over time. Usability: the hands-free design and lightweight build make the Theradome PRO easy to incorporate into your routine. Its intuitive controls and comfortable fit cater to users of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned hair care enthusiasts. Durability: constructed with durable materials and precision engineering, the Theradome PRO is built to last. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the helmet and storing it safely, will ensure it remains in excellent condition for years. Coming in at number 3 is the LaserCap LCPRO. The LaserCap LCPRO is a professional-grade hair growth device known for its advanced laser technology and exceptional effectiveness. Ideal for users with significant hair loss concerns, it's designed for convenience and powerful results. Key features: featuring 224 laser diodes, the LaserCap LCPRO delivers focused LLLT to stimulate hair follicles and encourage growth. Its portable, flexible design allows it to fit inside most hats for discreet use. The rechargeable battery offers long-lasting power for uninterrupted treatments. Benefits and usage: this device helps reduce hair shedding, increase density, and improve overall scalp health. Use it for 30 minutes every other day to see noticeable improvements in hair thickness and regrowth. It's safe for all hair types and colors. Usability: the LaserCap LCPRO's lightweight, flexible design ensures a snug fit and maximum comfort. Its portability makes it ideal for users who want to maintain their treatments on the go. The intuitive controls make it easy to operate, even for beginners. Durability: made from high-quality components, the LaserCap LCPRO is built to withstand regular use. Proper care, including cleaning the cap and storing it in its protective case, will ensure it delivers reliable performance over the years. Taking our fourth spot is Revian Red. The Revian Red is an innovative hair growth system that uses dual wavelength LED technology to stimulate hair regrowth and improve scalp health. This FDA-cleared device is a great choice for those seeking a modern, tech-driven approach to hair care. Key features: the Revian Red features patented LED technology that emits both red and orange light to penetrate deeper into the scalp. It pairs with a mobile app to track progress and customize treatment schedules. The lightweight, cordless design ensures maximum comfort during use. Benefits and usage: this device not only promotes hair growth but also improves scalp circulation and reduces inflammation. Use it daily for 10 minutes and monitor your progress through the app to achieve optimal results. Usability: the Revian Red's intuitive app integration makes it easy to track treatments and customize settings. Its lightweight, wireless design ensures comfort and ease of use, making it a practical addition to your hair care routine. Durability: the Revian Red is made with robust materials and advanced technology, ensuring long-lasting performance. Regular cleaning and safe storage will keep it in excellent condition for extended use. And finally, at number 5, we have Ultrax Labs HairMax. The Ultrax Labs HairMax is a versatile and affordable laser comb that delivers effective hair growth treatments in a compact, portable form. Its ease of use makes it a popular choice for those new to laser therapy. Key features: this device features advanced LLLT technology with precision-targeted lasers to stimulate hair follicles. It has a comb-like design that ensures optimal light penetration to the scalp, while its ergonomic handle enhances ease of use. Benefits and usage: the Ultrax Labs HairMax helps combat hair loss, increase density, and promote overall scalp health. Use it for 10 to 15 minutes, 3 times a week, to see gradual but noticeable results in hair thickness and regrowth. Usability: the lightweight and portable design make the HairMax easy to handle and operate. Its comb-like structure ensures the laser reaches the scalp evenly, delivering effective treatments in a short amount of time. Durability: made with durable materials and designed for frequent use, the Ultrax Labs HairMax is a reliable tool for long-term hair care. Proper maintenance, such as cleaning the comb and storing it safely, will ensure it continues to perform optimally. Hair growth devices are a game-changer in the fight against hair loss, offering convenient, non-invasive solutions for thicker, healthier hair. Whether you opt for the professional-grade Kiierr Laser Cap 272 or the tech-savvy Revian Red, each device on this list brings unique features to suit your needs. Take the first step toward your hair restoration journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.